Rướng ban môn cà chân đá nâng vật thí cứ chỉ song xa khả nìa nè tầng pi sẽ lạnh khả nìa khăn nè hay bay chụp bón nè tầng pi cứ chỉ sớm hàm chỉ lại nè trong nằm bình nè tầng pi mình men đi chừng một nè tê về làm đòn bánh cứ nè tầng pi cứ chui mình tục bài khả nìa phần tái mình men mà tục tại muối đây cứ mình tục bài khả nìa chẳng phụ quát về tranh đời riến có tờ tầng pi nè buộc cho mùi nâng một thẹo xem tiết đại nơi mình tục bài khả nìa nào ai haiเนี่ยต้องปีคอมเรียนครั้งหน้าโดยสารตานาคตเนี่ยต้องปีจองคลายจีกรูเป็ดให้ยังจองคลายจีเมตวีจังจันด้าก็ตายแต่แบบบัววัดที่เรียนเหมือนหลายคานเต้ไม่ท่าสั่งแต่ปุกวัดเรียนสบายศึกษาหนักลงบรรทุกรอไปหยุดจังนะให้จำปัววัดที่ก็คือจำนวนสมอตรังอ่ะก็ได้เติบปานนายแขวเต้บัวได้ซาก็จะหลังจันด้าครั้งให้ก่อนเมียนโคดาวอนาคตจึงบุยขณีขณะรุ่ยยะเปลภายใจตรงนำตีปียังไงให้ผู้กอดกันแต่สะดุดมูดเมตากาสลายกันครั้งนะผู้กอดเมียนบานปะเนี่ยเตะในขนมปีนำหนับบุ้งไปกอดเตะโตที่เนื้อปีสกอที่เนื้อมาเอาเชียร์ไหลปันท้ายมูดยะกรอยมอกยังไงเปได้วัดทีกอดได้เลยใหญ่ยังนะกอดใบดาจันดากอดเนื้อเตี้ยให้กอดเนื้อบรรทุกจูกอดธรรมดาให้จำในวัดทีกอดได้เลยคลาคลาจังหรือเพราะอย่างดังนะจังกอดได้เลยนะให้ไปคลากอดพักสระพักไอจมูกเนี่ยมันแผลเซ็งตามคลับหรือกรรมที่เซ็งสิ่งจังนะแต่ใครมวยนู้จะไปจิมมองดอบยุบไหนมองดอบยุบนั้นคือจันดาก็เรียนไอธรรมดาของเราต้องก็ตายอย่างใจปัจจัยขนมเป็นนั่นคือกูเฟียตอกคือแบบให้จันดาก็เชื่อฐานะเกย์เราไปก็สู้tớiคือบทที่ให้ขนมเป็นนั้นคือจันดาก็กำจังบ้าได้แต่เดี๋ยวสายจีสังซาบอกว่าจังนะให้ก็กดสู้ทาบองมาถือไอ้จังสุบสมานี่ให้อัศราไอ้นะให้ขนมเป็นนั้นคือบทที่กดมีอารมณ์ทัดดิจิกดก็ได้สืบสาวเลยปีนาเมาเต้คือกดกันแบบเบิกฟีนะจันดาเบิกฟีอ้อยคือบทที่เหาะมาเอาจันดาตะมองนายขนมเป็นนั้นให้คือกดสุบังโจกนะเวลาโจกชวมได้ให้ขนมเป็นนั้นคือจันดานั้นก็โยกับไซอยู่ไอจุดคลุนไอก็จอเราไอวัดที่เดี๋ยวสาขาสวังคือทัวร์กับบัดบองสมาได้มวยจำนวนนักขนมเป็นนั้นคือเนยจะบอกวัดที่นั้นสำลังมือกับเพลย์ไม่นับเพลย์ซอดบอกจันดาในสายจันดาก็ไปเอาเรียงเวียลนะให้เขาเรียงตรำกับเพลย์จังนะทัวร์ใส่กับปะหานนั่งให้ขนมเป็นนั้นคือวัดที่สำลังมือเหมือนเต้นให้ขนมเป็นนั้นคือจันดากับท่าให้ได้บานชิบบองมือโอนเนยโดยเปลี่ยนจังนะโอนนึกchỉ sạch chỉ xe y sẽ bong trong nhàm trong ngày dân từ hay không phảiนึกcứ vật thì bàn prap từ dân ta thao bong sờ lạnh khang mình tên sờ lạnh là hốt đo từ đây được sắp khơi ôn mơ một ôn không khơi không tật khơi lơ mê gì chẳng á chào chẳng thôi ao giờ chân ta nóมีlàm tại yên hơn này chẳng hay sờ peนึกคือvật thì dột đầy và cònนึกtừ stiệpเพลย์บ่จันดาเธอเอาจันดานั้นกอดเรียงเงียเรียงเอียนอย่างนั้นนะให้ขนมเปนั้นคือวิหารโดยจีจันดากอดอันนัดได้ผู้เดชายกอดสลังเฮียอยู่ให้แต่จันดาอดเอาวัตถุไปเตะบ่าบ้านตั้งแต่เทิมบ้านเทิมพ้องแต่เปนั้นคือวิหารโดยจีกาซาแบบพีบหรือกาบางหางบางวัตถุเตจันดานั้นเพื่อเอาจันดานั้นก็ต้นจัดเหมือนเต้นก็ต้นจัดเหมือนเต้นนะคือกอดเอาวัตถุนั้นคือรุกเรือบากลุนปราณរបស់ចិនដានៅពេលហ្នឹងឯងហើយចិនដាគាត់មិនស្វឹងទេតែវិធីស្វឹងប៉ុន្តែក្នុងពេលហ្នឹងគឺអារម្មណ៍រំជើបរំជួលរបស់វិធីណាដែលគាត់និយាយធ្វើឲ្យចិនដាហ្នឹងវល់វែកអស់ហើយធ្វើឲ្យគាត់អារម្មណ៍បែកផ្សែងគិតទៅរឿងការអាណិតផងអីផងដែលថាតាក់ទងនេះហើយគឺវិធីអាចប៉ះខ្លួនបានអញ្ចឹងណាហើយស្របពេលហ្នឹងគឺវិធីគាត់ដល់មកគាត់យកដៃគាត់ស្ទាបអាលពេញនឹងអីអស់ខ្លួនប្រានរបស់ចិនដាហើយចិនដាក៏អត់រើទេហើយគាត់ក៏ទុនតោតាមនឹងដែរអញ្ចឹងមនុស្សស្រីគឺទុនតោណាបើសិនជាមនុស្សប្រុសគាត់មានពាក្យលងលោមហើយនឹងពាក្យផ្អែមជាច្រើនហើយបូកនឹងដៃផងដែរអញ្ចឹងពេលហ្នឹងគឺវិធីគាត់ស្ទាបអង្អែលរហូតទៅដល់គាត់ហ្នឹងហើយគាត់ដោះកៅអៅរបស់ចិនដាចេញបាទហើយក្នុងពេលហ្នឹងគឺចិនដាគាត់ហាក់ដូចជាទុនអស់ហើយបាទគាត់មិនមែនស្វឹងតែគាត់ទុនអស់លីងហ្នឹងធ្វើឲ្យក្នុងពេលហ្នឹងគឺហ្នឹងហើយគឺគាត់បានបាទគេជាមួយគ្នាបាទក្នុងពេលហ្នឹងហើយមិនថាគាត់ក៏ខ្យល់ហើយគឺពេលហ្នឹងគឺចន្ទាហើយនឹងវុធីគឺគាត់បានគេជាមួយគ្នាបាទលើកទី1ណាគឺពោពេញទៅក្តីស្នេហារបស់គាត់ណាហើយរឿងហ្នឹងគឺវាជារឿងសម្ងាត់របស់គាត់ហើយណាមួយគឺគ្មានអ្នកណាដឹងទេដោយសារយប់ហើយពេលហ្នឹងគឺវុធីគាត់គេនៅក្នុងបន្ទប់ចន្ទារហូតដល់ម៉ោងប្រហែលជា 3 ភ្លឺបានគាត់ចេញទៅបន្ទប់គាត់វិញនេះគឺជារឿងដែលធ្វើឲ្យចិន្តាគាត់ចាំនឹងចិត្តថាអូគាត់បានខ្លួនប្រានបែរថាគាត់បានបកគលខ្លួនប្រានហ្នឹងឲ្យទៅវុធីអស់ហើយអញ្ចឹងគឺគាត់ស្រឡាញ់វុធីលើសពីរដងទៀតមានថាគាត់ដូចជាប្តីប្រពន្ធអញ្ចឹងហើយចាប់ពីពេលហ្នឹងមកគឺពួកគាត់ស្រឡាញ់គ្នាកាន់តែខ្លាំងឡើងប៉ុន្តែចន្លោះពីពេលហ្នឹងគឺវុធីក៏ចូលបន្ទប់ចិន្តារហូតប៉ុន្តែគាត់ដែរចូលនេះទេអត់ដែរចូលពេលរឿងប្រលប់ទេគាត់ចូលរឿងយប់ដោយសារឲ្យស្កាត់មនុស្សបានគាត់ចូលហើយពេលដែលគាត់ចូលហ្នឹងគឺគាត់តែងតែបបួលចិន្តាបាទលេងខ្លាឃ្លោកជាមួយគ្នាមានថាបបោះអង្អែលលក្ខណៈស្នេហាណាអញ្ចឹងពួកគាត់ហ្នឹងគឺសឹងតែបានរៀងរាល់1សប្តាហ៍ទៅ2សប្តាហ៍ម្ដងប៉ុន្តែចិន្តាគាត់ប្រាប់ទៅវុធីថាអូនឲ្យបងឲ្យខ្លួនប្រានទៅបងលើដំបូងនេះគឺដោយសារតែការស្រឡាញ់អញ្ចឹងហើយគឺសូមបងថែរក្សាការស្រឡាញ់ឲ្យបានល្អយើងអាចបានរៀបការទេយើងអត់បានរៀបការទេតែបងអូនបានបកគលពុំពិចារីឲ្យបងទៅហើយអញ្ចឹងសូមបងថែវាល្អហើយពេលហ្នឹងគឺវុធីក៏គាត់បានសន្យាថាគាត់អត់ស្រឡាញ់នរណាទាំងអស់ហើយគាត់ស្មោះតែមួយឯងហើយពេលហ្នឹងគឺវុធីចាត់ទុកចន្ទាគឺជាប្រពន្ធណាមិនមែនជាសង្សារដូចមុនទេអញ្ចឹងគឺពួកគាត់ឲ្យតែពេលយប់ឡើងគឺគាត់គេជាមួយគ្នាអត់មាននរណាដឹងទេនឹងជារឿងរបស់គាត់ដែលគាត់ប្រាប់អញ្ចឹងជីវិតរបស់គាត់គឺវាពោពេញទៅដោយក្តីសុខមែនតើគឺឲ្យតែមួយសប្តាហ៍មេតាចិន្តាគាត់ឲ្យវិធីមួយសប្តាហ៍តែម្ដងឯងហើយគឺគាត់ឲ្យការពីមិនមែនឲ្យសុតទេមេតាគាត់ឲ្យហ្នឹងលើដំបងគាត់ប្រហែសហើយលើដំបងដែលមាននិយាយដំបងគឺគាត់ប្រហែសគឺគាត់ដេកស្រាតមេតាសុតហ្មងគឺអត់មានប្រើអីការរបស់ការពីឲ្យភ្លៀងអត់ទេប៉ុន្តែចាប់ពីលើកទី2លើកទី3ឡើងពួកគាត់ឲ្យគេងប៉ុន្តែគាត់ឲ្យតែម្ដងមួយខែម្ដងអីហ្នឹងឯងហើយគាត់ឲ្យរបស់ប្រើរបស់ការពីនេះគឺជាជីវិតដែលមានក្តីសុខមែនតើចាប់ពីពេលហ្នឹងមកគឺពួកគាត់បានសហការគ្នាខំប្រឹងរៀនហើយខំប្រឹងរលុយបាទនេះគឺជារឿងដែលល្អមែនតើហើយអេដមានចែកម្លែកខ្លីៗអញ្ចឹងវីដេអូក្រោយទៀតអេដមាននឹងចែកម្លែកឲ្យបានវែងនៅរឿងដែលមានអ្នកប្រាប់អញ្ចឹងរឿងខ្លះក៏ជារឿងប្រឌិតរឿងខ្លះក៏ជារឿងពិតអញ្ចឹងសូមបងប្អូនមេត្តាគាំទ្រជួយគាំទ្រជួយ follow ជួយ subscribe ផងណាចំពោះ channel របស់ admin